Outer space is full of mysteries, wonders, and things you wouldn't believe unless you saw them. From planets that rain glass to giant volcanoes on Mars, we've got 20 mind-blowing facts about space that'll change how you see the universe. But that's not all. Along the way, we'll also answer the top 5 Googled questions about space, revealing secrets of the cosmos. Ready for liftoff? Let's go! I'll address the top 5 Googled questions first, starting with the least searched and building up to the most searched. How cold is space? Space is freezing cold, with temperatures averaging around minus 270 degrees Celsius, which is about minus 454 degrees Fahrenheit. But there's a place even colder than the background of space, the Boomerang Nebula. It's the coldest natural place known, at a staggering minus 272 degrees Celsius, or minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just 1 degree above absolute zero. What's a black hole? Black holes are areas in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They can't spaghettify objects that get too close, stretching them out into long, thin shapes. Can you hear anything in space? Nope. Space is completely silent because there's no air for sound waves to travel through. Imagine floating in the void surrounded by stars, with only your thoughts for company. What's the biggest volcano in the solar system? It's Olympus Mons on Mars, towering at 13.6 miles or 22 kilometers high, almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It's so wide that it could cover the state of Arizona. Do other planets have rings? Yes. Saturn may be the ring king, but Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have their own ring systems. Saturn's rings are made of countless particles of ice and rock, each orbiting the planet. Now we'll go through the 20 mind-blowing facts ranked from least to most surprising. Space is completely silent. Outer space is utterly silent, a calm void without a whisper of sound. No air, no sound waves. Space isn't completely empty. Though we think of space as a vacuum, it's not completely empty. It's filled with tiny particles, gas, and even radiation. Venus spins so slowly that a single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Every year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches farther from Earth, changing our tides and affecting our planet's future. Neptune is so far from the Sun that one orbit takes 165 Earth years. Imagine celebrating your birthday once every 165 years. There may be a parallel universe. Quantum physics suggests there could be parallel universes where different versions of reality exist. The hottest planet in the solar system isn't Mercury, it's Venus. Despite being farther from the Sun, Venus is the hottest due to its thick heat-trapping atmosphere. Saturn's rings are not solid. They're made up of countless particles ranging from tiny grains of sand to mountain-sized rocks. Look at a beach and imagine all those grains of sand. Now imagine more stars than that scattered across the cosmos. Neutron stars are so dense that a mere teaspoonful would weigh more than 1 billion elephants. The elements in your body were formed in stars that exploded billions of years ago. In a way, we're all made of stardust. Jupiter's great red spot is shrinking. The gigantic storm on Jupiter, larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries, but it's slowly shrinking. A planet where it rains glass sideways, HD 189733b. On this alien world, winds blow at 5,400 miles per hour, and it rains molten glass that cuts through the air sideways. Neutron stars can spin up to 600 times per second. These dense remnants of supernovae rotate at breathtaking speeds, faster than a kitchen blender. Near the center of our galaxy lies a cloud of ethanol that could make 400 trillion pints of beer. Party, anyone? Astronomers believe that this distant exoplanet could be composed largely of carbon, forming diamonds under high pressure. A literal gem in the cosmos. Believe it or not, some brown dwarfs have surface temperatures cooler than a warm summer day on Earth. And there you have it, 20 mind-blowing facts about the universe. From the coldest star to a planet that rains glass, the cosmos is more amazing than we could ever imagine. But here's the big takeaway. We're just a tiny part of something so vast, and there's still so much left to explore. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space content coming soon. Remember, when you feel small or insignificant, think of the stars. They're far away, but they still light up the night. You can shine too, no matter where you are.